Hi guys, today Valerie's going to be walking you through a program she started using at home called kidsa-z.com, so like kids A to Z. This was assigned by her school and she's able to go through these different things and read books and answer questions. Have fun!
And you can log in, but not on my account. Not on mine. Okay, so you'll have a reading room, a live up, and a my little things, and you will go through this, and I am going to go in the reading room. There will be all kinds of different select books. So let's try one of the books I've already read. This is called. Let's go in. Oh my gosh, why am I still at questions? We're gonna go out of questions. Out of questions. Out. I'm done. Just get out. Back. Oh my god. Reading room. I'm gonna go to reading room. Back to my reading room. Okay, so there is a bunch of different books in here. There are I think a million books. So you're going to go in here and you're going to go into my assignments, into an assignments if you want to. There will be all kinds of books for you to read. And this is also, I'm doing this for you, and even though I just figured this out, then you just go on here and pick a book. It will read it to you. You will read it. In this, you read it, and then they'll ask questions about the book you read. Back to reading. Now, I've never gone in here, so we're gonna see what's in here. It's all the books, live books. So this is all real books and stuff. This is all real life. So we're gonna, this, a look at fossils. There is, are you from Indian? Animal dads. There is Friends in the Stars. It says Friends in the Stars. I've already read that. I've read this one. I've read this one. I've read a couple books. Let's find Tosh. Let's find Macintosh. Oh my gosh, Macintosh is not a real book. Okay. So there's a bunch of things you can do in this little login program. I'm going to go to the reading room, and I'm going to read a book to you. I'm going to read Friends in the Stars. Let's read. Oh my gosh, no questions. Read. Come on. Get over here. Okay. Friends in the Stars. Next. Mama dog, what do you see? I see an eagle looking down at me. Puppy dog, what do you see? I see a, and then if you don't know this word, it's dragon. See, and it will just tell you if you don't know it. And this is breathing fire at me. And there's pictures. Mama dog, what do you see? I see a snake slithering quick at me. Puppy dog, what do you see? I see a fox hunting eagle friends with me. Mama dog, what do you see? I see a fair king ruling over me. Puppy dog, what do you see? I see a pretty queen waving at me. Don't ever do that. Just when you have a computer, just do the left side. Mama dog, what do you see? I see a white swan flying away from me. Puppy dog, what do you see? I see a little bear making friends with me. Life. So I'm going to go. Here are some questions I'm going to answer.
Who was in this?
I'm going to say mother dog and her puppy. Stars. They were actually seeing stars. I say B. An eagle was looking down. Oh gosh. Next.
Slithering means
A.
to slide.
A. I said A. I answered all the questions correctly. And you'll scroll down and I got 0 coins because I've already read that. So we're gonna try it. So let's put that on my favorites and then favorite. Let's get out of here somehow. Oh my gosh, home. Let's press home. Here we go. So we have all these books. Let's do this one. Changing Seasons. Let's say play.
Changing Seasons. Written by Cheryl.
You guys can. That was a good book. So now we're gonna have me read it. Next. I'm gonna move my screen up. I live where the weather changes during the year. Okay, we are going to cut this video short. And we are let's just do this. I live where the weather changes during the year. It changes with each season. We're gonna cut this video short, so bye. We're gonna cut this video short. Bye. I'm gonna make another half of this.